Hey everyone, it's attorney Bianca Jordan from brazenlegal.com. Today's video is about administrative processing. Sometimes in the course of your immigration case, for example, if you are applying for a green card from outside of the United States, sometimes your immigration case will end up in administrative processing. I like to think of administrative processing as an immigration black hole. No one really knows exactly why your case ends up in administrative processing. Sometimes it really is just because immigration needs more information about your case and they need more time to process your case. So sometimes your case may end up in administrative processing for due to no fault of your own. Maybe when you were applying for your green card, you forgot to include some information, for example, an affidavit of support or your tax information. Cases end up in administrative processing for a variety of reasons. Immigration agencies say that your case can be in administrative processing for up to 90 days, but I've seen situations where your case ends up in administrative processing for years. And for the most part, it ends up getting resolved, and the majority of cases that end up in administrative processing do ultimately get approved because your case would not even end up in administrative processing if the immigration agencies didn't think that you actually qualified for the benefit or, in this example that I gave, the green card in the first place. So it's really difficult to say how long your case will actually end up in administrative processing, but there are ways in which to get it out of administrative processing, and that will be covered in another video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to learn more about me and my law firm, you can visit brazenlegal.com/immigration. Thanks for watching.